Okay, comfortable real quick, Missy G's. Okay, hi everybody. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Missy and welcome to Bargain Beauty Deals. Today we are going to do part 2 of our 3-part series of the Walmart favorites. Yesterday we did eyes and lips, and what I didn't share with you guys, oh gosh, it fell on the ground, hold on, was the values. So the values for the eyes, the eye set was a $32 value. The lip set was a $47 value. Look at that fell. Okay. And today I thought we would do hair. We'd take a little break from makeup and then do hair. So, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. If you're one of my followers, thank you for coming back. We do bargain beauty deals and bargain deals in general on how to get them in a lot of unconventional ways like this. This is kind of like a little subscription box, but you know what you're getting without the subscription. And it's only, all of these boxes I'm going to show and that I have shown are $9.88. So that's a great deal. And this next one I'm about to show you guys is seriously the biggest bargain of all because these are Salon brands. These aren't drugstore brands. These are Salon brands. So the next one I'm going to show you is a $55 value, and it's the Salon Made Simple Walmart's Favorite Box. You open it up, and this is how it looks. So there's Bedhead, It's 10, and Big Sexy Inchy. I'm very familiar with all these products. I used to be a receptionist in a styling salon, actually the JCPenney styling salon, back in Oregon. So I'm very familiar with these products. So we are going to do the same routine as we did yesterday. I'm going to read off the back how it works. So we're going to start with the It's 10 Miracle Leave-In product. This is a 2-ounce bottle. It says, it's amazingly easy to use. Shampoo and condition hair, towel dry, and spray product all over hair and comb through. This is just a Miracle Leave-In plus keratin sample. Okay, this is, I used to use this all the time. This is the TG Bedhead Mini After Party. Work a dime-sized amount between palms of hands and smooth through damp hair. Style as directed. This is a smoothing cream for silky, smooth, shiny looking hair. I used to use this all the time. What's next? Now this is great for when you're flat ironing your hair, or if you use if you heat style your hair every day. This is something you really should. This is just Chi is such a great quality brand. This is a Chi Guard 44, and it's a 2-ounce bottle. Section hair and spray. Chi 44 iron guard evenly over dry or damp hair, and then style as directed. It's a heat protected. So this is actually a really great product. It's something that I have used other brands, but I always tend to go back to the Chi because it's just that's what they're aimed toward. They're aimed towards hair heat. They're heat styling products. So that's what they are for. I'm gonna burp again, guys. Okay, next is the which one is which? I would get this one wrong. It doesn't say on the front. Oh, shoot. Boys, no yelling. As I yell at them. Okay, we're going to go with this one being it. Oh, yeah, it is. It says say on the front. This is the TG Bedhead Self-Absorbed Shampoo, 3.4 ounces. We know how to shampoo. This is Mega Nutrients. So this is self-absorbed. It's very good for oh, okay, it says power up as you shampoo. Self-absorbed mix of mega nutrients gets out of shape or chemically treated hair physically fit. So it's perfect for this color hair, yeah, you know, chemically treated hair. I used to use this. And here's the conditioner. It is also 3.4 ounce. And then the Big Sexy Hairspray and Play Volumizing Hair Spray is the 1.5 ounces. And these are great for if you're going on a trip anywhere. Hold can 8 to 10 inches away from dry hair. Spray into styled hair and lift and hold. My eyebrow looks weird right here in the camera. Oh, I get sidetracked like that. So that's a great deal for these. $10 for all these products, and they're all salon quality. So if you were to buy even just like one of these in the salon, you're gonna pay anywhere from probably $6.99 and up at least. I mean, I would say maybe $9.99. It's been a while since I've worked at a salon, but for sure $6.99 a piece for a travel size any of these products. So that's a great deal for $9.88. And again, it's a $55 value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you get 6 products. 6 divided by 55 is, it's like $9 a piece. Yeah, I was right. Okay, the next we're going to do is the Wal-Mart Favorites. The main, look how big, this is the biggest one. The main event, and this is the one, you can't even see. This is what it looks like inside. So there's a lot of full-size products in this one. So, but these are products that you can get at the drugstore. And this is the one I was most excited for because I love a good styling product. So I'm really, really excited about this one. And you guys know these are such small products for me that it's like, yes, I can use them, but I'm not going to get much use out of them. So, but for $9.88, that's a great deal. So I don't even know what's what on here, you guys. I'm going to look at the box. Oh, that's this one. Okay. So the first one, I said John Frieda. I'm like, which one's the John Frieda? But it is the Frizz Ease Daily Nourishment. This is the John, hold on. The John Frieda. Is that fuzzy? There we go. The John Frieda Daily Nourishment. I'm a mess. I'm going to move it over here. The John Frieda Daily Leave-In Nourishing Conditioner. Spray liberally throughout clean, damp hair and comb through and brush. Do not rinse out. And I haven't used a lot of the Frizz Ease products, which is surprising because I use a lot of frizz control products. So that actually surprises me. So this is one of these. Which one is this? High Pro. Okay, so that's this. This is a High Pro Extremely Damaged Hair Mask. Apply evenly on wet hair and massage through to ends. Leave on for 2 to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. This is a Pantene Pro V Air Spray, Flexible Hairspray. Okay, directions: spray evenly in dry styled hair. To finish, you may find that you need to less than your usual hairspray. Well, let's hope so. This is a 1 ounce bottle. Oh, I gotta look at these. Okay, that's this one. Okay, let's spell out. This is a SGX NYC Overachiever 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. I've never used these products, so this one I'm actually intrigued by. Shake well. Hold can 8 to 10 inches from dry hair. Spray focusing on roots. Massage hair with fingertips. Oh, so it's a. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is I don't know. Maybe you knew this. A texturing spray is actually a dry shampoo. I did not know that. So I needed a dry shampoo. I've never used dry. I've used dry shampoo one time before. So I'm excited to try that. It says not your mother's. Oh, okay. These are all different. 10-in-1. Which one's the 10-in-1? Not your mother's. All eyes on me. 10-in-1 hair perfector 6 ounce bottle. Apply to clean, towel-dried hair. Spray product from roots to tips and comb through. Blow dry and style as usual. Infused with natural keratins. Honestly, who really has time to energize or energy to use a bazillion different products to achieve their end? Look, anyone? Yeah, me neither, and definitely not you. All eyes on me. 10-in-1 hair perfector takes care of all your hair needs with its 10 different benefits. 10 instant benefits. Adds body, strengthens, detangle, moisturizes, adds shines, controls frizz, repairs dry hair, heat protection, men's split ends, seals cuticles. That is claiming a lot. Basically, it's a leave-in conditioner, detangler, shine control, frizz control, and heat protector all in one. So I want to smell it. I'm really intrigued by this one. Ooh, oh. It kind of has like a musky, but like musky, but sweet smell. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know. Not Beach Wave Sea Salt Spray. This is the 8-ounce one. This is 8 ounces. Yeah, this is the 8 ounce. So this is the one I have used this before. Not, hold on. This is the big bottle. Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Soft Wave Sea Salt Spray 8-ounce bottle. Mist generally onto damp, dry hair. Scrunch and style with your fingers to create soft waves and texture. Air dry naturally, or use your diffuser for added body. So it's just if you have wavy hair and you want your wave. Yeah, I have used this before because I do have wavy hair. I don't have curly hair, and I don't have straight hair, and I have wavy hair, so I do have used this before. I don't really like this part, and the bottle usually isn't like that, I don't think, but I don't know what it is now. Not Your Mother's Beach Babe. This is the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe dry shampoo, 1.6 ounces. So it's a texturizer and body, absorbs oil and brushable hold. So is it like a hair needs a quick pick-me-up, revitalize the next day hair with this innovative 3-in-1 dry texture spray that refreshes, enhances texture, and finishes the light hold. Okay, so this is an absolute dry shampoo and just a dry shampoo. This one, the texturizing spray, is a dry shampoo, but as well as that, it is a light hold. Light hold hairspray. So that's what a texturizer is. I'm not familiar with a texturizer. My bad. This is a Hask Argan Oil Repairing Deep Conditioning Packet. Apply a generous amount of argan oil, intense deep conditioning treatment to clean wet hair. Oh, clean wet hair. Massage into hair, focusing on damaged areas, and let penetrate for 10 minutes. Okay, okay, I thought it was afterwards. So this is just a hair mask. These, just like this one. This one's for extremely damaged hair, and this is restore smooth, dry, damaged hair. Okay, so that's it, you guys. That's a really, really great deal as well. I really, really enjoy these Walmart, favorites. I really do. I think I just feel like you're getting, I'm putting them back in. I don't know why I'm like that. I like to store things like that. I really think for $9.88, especially this one where you get all these full size products, it's like, wow, that's great. I know just the Beach Waves is $7 at the store. So what a steal, y'all. Again, this was a $31 value, and I would venture to say this might be even a little more than that, just because I am familiar with some of these products. Maybe not because of the foil packets, but they sell these foil packets at Walmart for $1.99. So that's the hair care. If you guys want any of these, check online at walmart.com, and you can see if they have them in stock at your store. So if I look down like that, sometimes my camera is saying something weird, and I'm like, well, it's not. But sometimes it'll say they're out of stock. Like mine, I had been checking my stores, and it said that this one was out of stock, and I happened to find one there, so I snagged it up because I had half of them, and then I was like, I'm going to do a review on all of them. The only one I didn't do a review on was well, there was another hair one, and it was all natural ones, but I won't use them, so I don't want to spend my money on it. And the other one was the accessories ones. It came with a set of nails, of like press-on nails. It came with a nail polish. It came with a file. It came with those things that you stick onto your nails and file to shape them, and they look like the wraps, the nail wraps. A set of lashes, and I don't know what else. It was some stuff like that. And that's just, I don't need any of that stuff. That's going to go to waste. I have press-on nails. I was intrigued by the lashes. They were cute, but I can buy lashes. I didn't need a nail file. I'm not going to use the nail wraps. The nail polish was pink. Like, it's still a good idea to review it, but you guys, I'm not going to spend all my money on things that I'm not going to end up using. So thank you guys for coming. Don't forget to check out the third installment of that little mini series, and that will be the last of our Walmart favorites. I think it's the shimmer and skin one. Yep, that's what it is. So, thank you all for coming. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the notification button so you can be alerted every time I upload a video, especially if you want to watch the third installment of this. And if you had not subscribed, please subscribe, y'all. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate it. And if you made it to the end of the video, I love you. Bye.